Hi everyone, my name is Fatima Hida. Today I am going to talk about a famous Malayalam writer Kamala Suraya. Kamala Suraya, popularly known by her pen name Kamala Das, was a bold and revolutionary Indian writer who wrote in both English and Malayalam. She is remembered one of the most influential voices in Indian literature, especially for her frank and fearless expression of female identity, love and unity. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Naya Mariam. I am studying 5th standard. Today reading day. Today I am telling about Vaikam Muhammad Bashir, a short biography. Vaikam Muhammad Bashir was one of the greatest literary figure in Malayalam literature, affectionately known as the Bepur Sultan. He was born on January 21st, 1908 in Kalayolaparambe near Vaikam in Kerala. Thank you. Have a good day.
I am Fatima Batman. I am studying 5th standard. Today is reading day. Today I tell about M.T. Vasudevan Nair biography. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, popularly known as M.T., is one of the most respected and celebrated writers in Malayalam literature. He is a novelist, a short story writer, a screenwriter, and a film director, known for his deep and sensitive portrayal of Kerala life. Thank you all.
My name is Mohammed Sabi. I am studying 5th standard. Do you know Shakespeare? Yes, he is a famous author. William Shakespeare is regarded as the greatest playwright and poet on the English language. He was born on April 23, 1564, Stratford upon Avon, England. Thank you.